despite these imperfections, despite all I say, insight and recollection, I'm done with yesterday. I will lose my mind and make it real this time, to leave it all behind. I won't cry, won't show me a sign, planets will align. I'm gonna blow my mind. I won't cry, won't. The one I trusted sold me. This is overblown, but I didn't want to believe. Everyone I trusted deceived me. I will lose my mind and make it real this time, to leave it all behind. I won't cry, won't show me a sign, planets will align. I'm gonna blow my mind. I won't cry, won't. I figured out I'm holding on too tight, and I can't let go. I'm hiding, I'm needy on the inside, I'm bleeding, I'm searching for something, but it can't seem to find me. On the surface of someone who pretends to focus. I'm waiting and wanting to come here, to go on, trying to live when the pain can all be gone. Conforming to confusion, the voice in my head leading me here back